Hi everybody. Today we're making angel pound cake. For this you'll need a pound of butter, 4 sticks, a pound of flour with some baking powder in it, a pound of sugar, confectioner's sugar, 8 eggs, some vanilla extract, and some chocolate chips. That's it. This is going to be your pound cake. Oh, please, if you will, click on that like button and of course click on subscribe. Thanks. Let's get started. So your oven should already be set to 325 degrees, and if you have any comments, questions, just place them down below. The first thing we want to do is we want to cream together our butter and our sugars, or sugar. Oops. Your butter is softened. This should go pretty quickly. You're using confectioner's sugar, hence angel cake. Get that nice and fluffy. Put some more in there. This gets very fluffy. That should be good for the creaming of the butter and the sugar. This is where I like to put my vanilla extract in. Homemade, as you can see. Splash that in there. A little heavy. And then the eggs. Put them in. Try not to put them all in at once. That's 4. Now, this is where I like to put in just a touch of freshly ground cinnamon, followed by placing in the dry. This is your flour mixed with your baking powder. Not all at once, of course. And incorporate it. Got the rest of it in there. Oh, that's okay. Most of it has actually gone into the mix. Only a little bit of it has ended up on the rest of the countertop. Once your dough is at this point, this is when I want to fold in the chocolate chips. That's about right. Wow, that goes everywhere, doesn't it? Okay, so now we've done that, let's get our hands on our baking implement and spread a little spray on that. And off we go. Let's get it into the pan. Is that it? Yes, that's it. A little bit on that side, and we're done. Now we place this in our 325-degree oven. And we'll see you in, oh, let's say about okay, our angel pound cake with chocolate chips took about 55 minutes. Now the next step is to get a little bit of a dusting of powdered sugar on top. How much is too much? I don't know. Is that too much or is that just enough? How much is too much? Okay, that's enough. Now we've got our powdered sugar going. Let's get into this and see what it's like. There you go. That looks really good. Let's take a bite. Oh, that's delicious. Excellent. Okay, everybody, please click that like button and hit subscribe. This is delicious. Please try it at home. Have a great day.